Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp messages on iPhone. First, this method works only if you already have a backup on your iCloud. Just before anything else, make sure you are signed into the iCloud and your iPhone is using same phone number as before. Now open the WhatsApp on your phone. WhatsApp is already installed and shows empty chat. Don't worry. Just hold the WhatsApp from your iPhone. Just press and delete the app. After that, go back to the App Store, search for the WhatsApp and download it. Once installed, open WhatsApp and tap agree and continue. Enter your phone number. You will receive a verification code by message. Enter the code to verify your number. Now, this is the most important part. WhatsApp will look for the iCloud backup. When you see the screen that says restore chat history, tap restore. Wait patiently. The restore may happens on your internet speed and how big is your backup is. Once it's done, tap next and your message, photos and chat will appear. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.